It's a smart project for electricity generation and waste disposal. Our project mainly deals with the waste to energy conversion. In the present scenario, India is facing two major problems. One is shortage in the electricity, and the other one is waste disposal is increasing day by day in our country. So to solve these two problems, we have to find out some smart solutions, and our project acts as a remedy for these problems. Our project mainly deals with the synchronizing of a biogas generation plant with a combined heat and power unit. It means for a conventional thermal power plant, there is a lot of heat will be lost, and it will not be efficient. But by combining a biogas power plant with a combined heat and power plant, we can increase the efficiency, overall efficiency of the plant can be increased, and we can get more out of digester. It consists of two tanks, namely one is the digester tank. That red one indicates the digester tank, and the other one is the gas holder tank. You can see this white one, it is a gas holder tank. The digester tank consists of two holes. From the top one, we are feeding the bio waste. That is either maybe a food or wasted vegetables or any other cow dung, sheep dung, like that. Any waste matter that can be that can be inserted into the biogas digester from the top. And the biogas digester is also provided with an output. It would be useful to send out the slurry, which may be digested, which may be called a digestate. That is the final product of the in a digester tank. The digester tank is connected to the gas holder tank. The gas holder tank, after 1 or 2 days, a mixture of methane and CO2 gas will be produced in a digester tank, and that gas will be transferred to this gas holder tank. In the gas holder tank, we are provided an outlet pipe. Through this pipe, the gas is is connected to a Bunsen burner. Through that, by adjusting these screws, we can increase the amount of biogas flowing into the burner, and the heat produced by the burner can be adjusted by simply adjusting this T-nipple joint. For the waste disposal and power generation, there is waste to energy converter. That is the full form of the WTE. It consists mainly parts like digester tank 1, digester tank 2, a pump, and combined heat and power generation unit. What the process happening in this plant? What the process exactly happening in this plant is, firstly the bio waste is fed into this digester tank 1 by uh, and it is mixed with certain amount of water. The ratio of the water and the bio waste should be in the equal ratio of proportion, and the process can be controlled by means of these mixers. They will make the process to occur faster manner, and the biogas is produced at this top corner, and it will be transferred to the digester tank 2, and from here the anaerobic digestion occurs. Anaerobic digestion means splitting up of a complex compound into a simple molecules by in the absence of oxygen by a bacteria called methogens, and the complex matter, which is converted into minute particles, is pumped into this digester tank too, and this is called slurry. The slurry is sent out, and it can be used as a biofertilizer. It has high value and rich value of nutrient values. You can see here, manuals can also be fed into this digester tank. After this, whatever may be the biogas that is available here, it is transferred to the combined heat and power unit. Here, certain process like heating and conversion of water into steam, and that water is passed over the turbines, and these turbines are used to run the electrical generators, and the electrical generator produces electricity, and it is given to the feeders. And in a conventional thermal power plant, the heat produced will be wasted, but in case of the combined heat and power unit, the heat produced will be used to support the process of anaerobic digestion, because this anaerobic digestion occurs at a temperature of 35 degrees centigrade, and the remaining heat is sent to home heating purposes and the other heating purposes of the boilers. In this manner, we can increase the overall efficiency when compared to the thermal or nuclear power plants. The efficiency of this combined heat and power plant, that is coupled with the biogas generator tank, is more. That is the main theme of our project. It is to increase the electricity generation with waste disposal. That is the main objective.